Hi, I'm Emily from Emily Learning. Welcome to this video where I will go through with you the questions in the O-Level Add Math Specimen paper. In this video, we'll be going through question 1 from the specimen paper. In this question, you are tested on concepts from 2 chapters. One of it is from the simultaneous equation chapter, and the other one is from the straight line graph, which is the chapter on coordinate geometry. So in this question, you are given the following, okay? You are given the equation of the line. It is x over a plus y over b equals to 1. Okay, and you are also told that a and b are positive constants. Next, you are told that the graph will intersect the x-axis at point x and the y-axis at point t. Next, you are given that the gradient of ST is negative 1/3. Okay, and the length of ST is root 40 units. So you are asked to find A and B. So let's do a very rough sketch of this. So I have a line which has the equation x over a plus y over b equals to 1. Okay, and I know it will intersect the x-axis at S and the y-axis at T. Okay, I know the gradient is equals to negative 1/3. And the length of this is root 40. So with this information here, I am asked to find the values of A and B. So let's first rearrange this equation in the form y equals to mx plus c. So I need to make y the subject first. Okay, so once I make y the subject, I know what is m. M is negative 1/3. So let's do it. So I start off with this x over a plus y over b equals to 1. I want to make y the subject, so I'll bring all terms without y to the other side of the equal sign. Then to get rid of the denominator b, I will multiply all terms by b. So this is what I'll get. Alright. So once I have this, I know that so based on this equation here, y equals to b minus bx over a, I know the y-intercept is b. Okay, so here the value is b. And I know the gradient is equals to negative b over a. And the gradient I'm told is equals to negative 1/3. So I can form one equation first. Negative b over a is equals to negative 1/3. In other words, a is equals to 3b. And I will label this equation 1. Alright. Next, I need to make use of this. Length of ST is root 40. So I already know that T is 0, B. How about S? To find the x-intercept, I will sub y equals to 0 into, let me call this equation 2. Alright. So when I sub y equals to 0, I have b minus bx over a. So therefore, x is equals to b divided by b over a, which is the same as b times a over b, and therefore it is equals to a. So I know s is a, 0. So I know the coordinates of t and s, and to find the length of st, it is basically equals to a square plus b square square root, and I know this is equals to root 40. So therefore, I know a square plus b square is equals to 40. So this will be equation 3. So now I have equation 1 and equation 3. I will sub 1 into 3 to solve this simultaneous equation. So a is 3b, so I'll sub a equals to 3b. So 3b whole thing squared is 9b squared. 9b squared plus b squared is 10b squared. Okay, divide by 10 on both sides. I get b equals to plus minus 2. But since b is positive, I will reject b equals to minus 2. So therefore, b is equals to 2. And when b is equals to 2, a is equals to 3b. a is equals to 3b. So a is equals to 6. So therefore, the answer for this question is a equals to 6 and b equals to 2. Okay, notice this is a combination of simultaneous equation and coordinate geometry concepts. Basically, for simultaneous equations, it can come up in any chapter or combine with any chapter. All right. So I also covered this coordinate geometry in detail in my course on coordinate geometry. So I provided a link below in the description, and if you are interested, do check it out. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video.